Tesla's PIN to drive is a security feature that requires a unique PIN code to be entered before the car can be driven. It acts as an electronic immobilizer, preventing the vehicle from moving without the correct code. This feature adds a layer of complexity that makes theft harder for criminals, deterring quick vehicle thefts. With EV thefts rising 200% since 2020, this feature is crucial for protecting your Tesla. Let's determine if PIN to drive is available on your Tesla vehicle. PIN to drive is available on all Tesla vehicles manufactured after 2017, including the Model 3, Model Y, Model S, Model X, and Cybertruck. These models include the Model 3, Model Y, Model S, Model X, and Cybertruck. It's not available on pre-2017 models like the original Roadster or early Model SX without hardware retrofits, which Tesla has discontinued. To ensure compatibility, check your Tesla's software version in the Settings menu. Navigate through the settings to find the software version. Look for System Information or Software Version Details. Similar options are available on the Cybertruck. To set up PIN to drive on your Tesla, first open the Tesla app on your phone or access the vehicle's touchscreen directly. Next, navigate to the Controls menu, then select Safety and Security, and choose PIN to drive from the options. Now create your PIN. Choose a 4 to 6-digit code or use alphanumeric characters if your vehicle supports it. Set your preferred options, such as requiring the PIN after every drive or only after using valet or service mode. Finally, test the feature by locking your car and attempting to drive. If you fail to enter the correct PIN, the vehicle will immobilize, with only a few attempts allowed before a lockdown. PIN to drive offers several key benefits. First, it deters theft by adding a layer of security that makes quick thefts harder. Thieves must spend time attempting to enter the PIN, giving owners valuable time to track and respond to the situation. Second, PIN to drive integrates perfectly with other Tesla security features. It complements Sentry Mode, which records potential threats, walkaway lock that automatically secures the vehicle, and Tesla's advanced anti-theft software that can remotely disable stolen cars. Third, PIN to drive offers customization options. You can choose when the PIN is required, such as after ignition or remote start, allowing you to set security levels that match your lifestyle and comfort preferences. Finally, PIN to drive features enhanced security. Starting in late 2024, it supports alphanumeric PINs of up to 6 characters, offering much stronger protection than numeric-only codes and making unauthorized access extremely difficult. If you forget your PIN, you can reset it via the Tesla app. Tesla claims that PINs are stored locally on the vehicle and encrypted, and not transmitted to servers unless reset via app. First, open the Tesla app on your phone. Navigate to Controls, then Safety and Security, then PIN to drive. Follow the prompts in the app to reset your PIN and regain access to driving your Tesla. Remember, PINs are stored locally on the vehicle and encrypted. They are not transmitted to servers unless reset via app. PIN to drive complements Tesla's other security features. Sentry Mode uses cameras to detect and record potential threats, alerting you immediately. Walkaway lock automatically secures the vehicle when you step away. Tesla's anti-theft software allows remote disabling of the car if it's reported stolen. PIN to drive specifically prevents unauthorized driving once someone has already gained access to the vehicle. The California theft ring bust in 2023 demonstrates PIN to drive's real-world effectiveness. Organized thieves targeted over 50 Teslas across the state, but they abandoned 20 vehicles after repeatedly failing to bypass the PIN requirement. The feature created enough delay for owners to remotely track their cars using the Tesla app and lock them, leading to the arrest of the thieves. In a 2024 incident in the UK, a Tesla Model Y was stolen but recovered undamaged because the thief couldn't enter the required PIN. The owner had set a complex alphanumeric code, which the thief failed to guess or bypass. This allowed authorities to track and recover the vehicle quickly, highlighting how PIN to drive protects against opportunistic theft. Security experts widely regard Tesla's pin to drive as a robust theft deterrent that adds significant friction to unauthorized vehicle access. Consumer Reports, in their 2025 review, rated the feature 4 out of 5 for effectiveness, noting that it reduces theft risk by 35% based on owner surveys and industry data. Looking ahead, future Tesla software updates are expected to incorporate artificial intelligence to detect suspicious behavior, automatically prompting PIN entry when needed. Additionally, hybrid security systems combining PIN codes with biometrics like facial recognition or fingerprints could provide more seamless access for authorized users.